on how to add a coupon code in Temu. How to add a coupon code in Temu, step by step. Intro. Got a coupon code on Temu and want to save money? In this video, I'll show you how to apply a coupon code step by step. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Add items to cart. Browse and add the items you want to buy into your shopping cart. Step 3. Go to checkout. When ready, tap on the cart icon, review your items, and then tap Checkout. Step 4. Enter coupon code. On the checkout page, look for the coupon or promo code box. Tap it and enter your coupon code carefully. Step 5. Apply the code. After entering the code, tap Apply. The discount will be automatically deducted from your total order amount. Step 6. Complete your order. Now select your payment method and tap Place Order to finish. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can add and use a coupon code in Temu to save money on your orders. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.